The Jessica McClintock Home Romance Collection from American Drew was inspired from the designer's own home in San Francisco, of antiques that she has acquired from all over the world. The collection offers rich finishes, all lightly distressed to enhance the character and authenticity. All of the carvings are unique because they are carved by master craftsmen. The elements include knife marks and slight scallops around the carving. The Romance Collection allows the spirit of romance to come through in an elegant and beautiful styles of the home line.
Connect with ATGStores.com on Facebook for new product information and giveaways.